Hello, hola, hi. It's time to do my hair. I've never done Bantu knots. I'm actually a little nervous about this. So as usual, I'm gonna share my experience. I probably should have looked at some tutorials first. I just didn't. And so now I'm gonna wing it like, ooh, that would have been a pretty twist out. Yeah, we're just gonna hope for the best. Okay, I'll just be honest. We're gonna hope for the best and, expect the worst. So should these be big or small? Why am I talking like y'all can give me a response? Y'all, I am nervous because I ain't never did this. I'm strictly a wash and go, twist out, braid out, bun, ponytail type girl. I don't do no styles in my hair. Is this section too big? Why am I asking you? All right. Bantu knot number 1. This has quickly become a favorite of mine. It's the African Pride flaxseed oil and shea butter gel and cream. So we're gonna try this. So we're gonna take the, I don't know where to start. Okay, so am I just supposed to twist? Let me do that. Yeah, let's do, okay. That look like I might be doing something. Is this too much? Do I need to add product? Why do I keep asking y'all questions? Let me try this. Just like that. At this point, am I just supposed to twirl? Why do I keep asking y'all? This don't look like I'm doing it right. Let's try this again. Okay, we're gonna twirl. I know somebody judging me right now. I know. I'm gonna watch a tutorial real quick. Okay, let me watch a tutorial. Round 2. I can do this. I can do this. I can do all things. Felt the quickening on that. I am stressed TF out. What is wrong with me? Like, I don't know, like, why my fingers can't do this. I just don't understand. I feel like I'm missing out, okay? Like, it's an exclusive club of women who are really good at doing their hair, and I'm not one of them. I'm gonna try this one more time. Wait, why? Girl, wait. Honey, I'll catch you niggas another day. I'm not in the mood. Bye.
6.5 hours later.
So, I bet you're wondering what happened. I am not someone who gives up easily. If I want something, I'm gonna figure out how to get it. So, I started watching multiple tutorials on YouTube until I found one that was the easiest. And that person who uploaded it was Hazel Goddess. I really like her channel, and she made it seem very easy. The tip that she gave was to not twist so tightly, and when you start twisting, because of the way you form it, the Bantu knot kind of just forms itself. And so I followed her advice. I left it a lot more looser around my roots, and I just twirled it around my finger, and then I used my predominant hand, which was my right hand, to do the twisting, and my left hand to hold the knot in place. And I did everything she said, and it actually worked. So here's a video showing me having a sweet moment of victory. That's that good old sigh of relief, honey. So I started doing it all over my head. And yeah, I actually got good results. I don't know what it's going to look like when I take it down, but I was able to install the actual twist. And once I get a concept, sometimes it takes me a long time to understand it, but once I get it, I got it. And so I was able to go ahead and install these knots all around my head. And yeah, here's a video showing me doing it another time. And then after this, you will see how my husband aggravated the hell out of me while I was trying to do my hair. Okay. You better stop for a perm and put it on your face.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. I knew you'd run. I don't know.
One eternity later.
So, look. I had to take one of them down because I put this one in too tight, and when I put my scarf on, the nape, it was just like. But if this is any inclination of what the rest of my hair about to be like, it's lit.
Tomorrow for sure.
For the record, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you what I did. I put some oil on my fingers and then just kind of separated these little knots, twists, whatever the hell they are, where they naturally wanted to go. And then I took a pick and fluffed my hair. Future Faye here. I had no idea that my head was chopped off and what you're about to see. Well, the top of my head, it wasn't, you know, like head and shoulders. What is wrong with me? Anyway, my camera fell and it caused my head to get out of frame, and I did not know that. But I want you to see the full shot right here. This is what I'm looking like. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I actually like it. The only reason I don't love it is because of the bangs. I really want to do a side part, but because I have bangs, I can't really do that. But other than that, I actually like it. If I could do anything differently next time, I'll make sure to put a lot more product on my ends, just so that the ends of my curls are not like frizzy or anything like that. And I need a trim. But other than that, I actually like it, and I definitely would do it again. This is very different from me, just because I'm not used to a curly look. Usually when I do my twist outs, I end up with more of a full wavy look, and so for this honestly is giving me kind of but I can dig it. So I'm gonna just keep playing with it until I find a shape that I actually like really love, just because I pinned my bangs so they're not flying all over the place. Let me see what it looked like with bangs. I feel like I look like
I'm Rick James, bitch.
I'm not gonna lie. If the bangs were longer, I could tolerate this look. But because they not, we gonna put them back where it was. All right. So with this being the first time attempt, I will give myself a B-. I can see the improvements I need to make. Like I said, I need to make sure I put more product and make sure my ends are not frizzy, and I need a trim. And I need to grow these bangs expeditiously because they really stopping my swag. I cannot tolerate looking like little Bo Peep. I can't. And so with that being said, I gotta go. Bye.